Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. To be boozy or not boozy? That is the question. The Jolly Rancher drink is on our menu today. Very, very easy to make. All right, we're going to make the blue raspberry, the watermelon, the green apple. Super easy drink, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to crush your Jolly Ranchers up. So Jolly Ranchers, it's going to be like 10 of them per each cup of liquor. So this, it's sort of a sweet drink, but it's really good. So if you like Jolly Ranchers candy, then you know what you're expecting. All right, so it's 2 to 4 shots of vodka. You can use flavored vodka if you want to. All right, so it's going to be those crushed Jolly Ranchers, as I said, 10 per cup. And 1.5 cup of ice. So if you want to make this out of a slushie, then you're going to do a little bit different. But I am making a drink today, so check this out. You're going to need a splash of Sprite or 7-Up, so any clear soda. So I'm going to do an overhead view for this red one, but then I'm going to come on the side so you can really see what's happening for the other two. So check it out. But this is quick and easy, so within these few minutes, we're going to do 3 of these drinks. Watch. After adding the liquor, the Jolly Ranchers, you're going to add the ice. You're going to add a splash of Sprite or 7-Up. Now, when you first mix this in the blender, when it's first mixed, it's going to look almost like it's pink. Never fear. Don't do anything. It's going to turn the darker red that it's supposed to turn. So, all right, so we got that one poured up into a cup, and I'm going to show you in a minute. I want to go on to the blue ones, just get this out of the way, and then I'll show you presentation. All right, so you're going to put the vodka in, the blue Jolly Ranchers, and put the ice in, Sprite or the 7-Up. So, good. Now put a slight amount of Country Time lemonade in here, the regular lemonade. All right, again, we're going to mix this up. We're going to taste it. We're good to go. All right, on to the green one. Get your green Jolly Ranchers in there, your vodka, your ice. Same thing. It's so easy. This is like one of the easiest drinks. The hardest part about this is probably crushing that candy. And if you're mad about something, beat the hell out that candy and you good. The candy is good. All right. That's it. All right, so you know I had to make some more because I got these big tall cups. And before you ask, I got these from Amazon. So check it out. Do a little research on Amazon because I bought these a while back. So I don't exactly have the link to it or anything. All right, and that's what they look like close up. Check that out, everybody. A nice boozy Jolly Rancher. But I don't want you to forget this. If you do not want to put that liquor in it, you want to make this for some children, some teenagers maybe, perhaps. Leave the liquor out and just do some water, some lemonade. Trust me, it works. You can make this work. Very easy. Very good drink. Thanks for watching, everybody. Drink up. Cheers. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.